Namaste, dear readers. Today we will be chanting the Siddha Saraswati Stotra from Brihastotra Ratnakara. Saundarya Madhurya Sudha Samudra Vinidra Padmasana Sannivishtam Chanchadvipanchi Kalanada Mugdham Shuddham Dadhentar Visarat Sugandham Shruti Smrtistatpada Padmagandhi Prabhamayam Vangmayamastaparam Yat Kona Kona Bhinivishtamishtam Tamambikam Sarvasitam Shritasmaha Nakandishikam Ravitotivelam Tam Kaushikam Samsprihaye Nishatam Saraswatadhama Pashyam Shasyam Tapo Brahmanamadriyetam Shri Sharadam Prarthita Siddha Vidyam Shri Sharadam Bhoja Sagotra Netram Shri Sharadam Bhoja Nivijyamanam Shri Sharadam Kanujanim Bhajami Chakrangarajanchita Pada Padmam Padmalaya Bhyarthita Susmita Shrihi Smita Shriya Varshita Sarvakama Vama Vidhehe Purayatam Priyam Naha Bahoramaya Kila Kaushikosau Hamso Bhavatyaha Prathito Viviktaha Jagadvidhatur Mahishi Tvam Asman Vidhehi Sabhyan Nahi Mataribhyan Swachhavrata Swachha Charitra Chanchuhu Swachhantara Swachha Samasta Vrittihi Swachham Bhavatyah Prapadam Prapannaha Swachhe Tvayi Brahmani Jatu Yatu Ravindu Vanhidyuti Koti Deeptam Simhasanam Samtatavadyaganam Vidipayan Matrukadhamayamaha Karunyapurnamritavarivaham Shubhram Shubhra Saroja Mugdhavadanam Shubhrambaraalankritam Shubhrangim Shubha Shubhrahasya Vishadam Shubhra Sraga Shobhinim Shubhroddama Lalama Dhama Mahimam Shubhram Taranga Agatam Shubhrabam Bayahari Bhava Bharitam Shri Bharatim Bhavaye Muktalankrita Kuntalam Tasaranim Ratnaliharavalim Kanchi Kamtavalagna Lagnavalayam Vajranguliyangulim Leela Chanchalalochanan Chalalokeshalolakam Kalyama Kalayeti Vela Matulam Vitkalpavalli Kalam Prayato Dharayedyastu Saraswatamimam Stavam Saraswatam Tasya Mahaha Pratyakshamachirat Bhavet Vagbija Samputam Stotram Jaganmatuh Prasadajam Shivalaye Japan Martyaha Prapnuyad Buddhi Vaibhavam Suryagrahe Prajapitastava Siddhikarah Paraha Varanasyam Punyatirthe Sadhyo Vanchitadayakah पादाम्भोजे सरस्वत्याः शङ्कराचार्य भिक्षुणः काशीपीठाधिपतिना कुम्पिता स्रक् समर्पिता. This Siddha Saraswati Stotra has been composed by a Shankara Acharya who was the head of Kashi Pita. He says, whoever recites this stotra and bears this stotra in mind, they will attain the light of Saraswati. That means they attain the wisdom. One who chants this stotra, which has Vag Bija, the Bija of Saraswati, in Samputita Krama in it, in the temple of Shiva Devi, will attain intellect and knowledge, Buddhi Vaibhavam. And in the time of solar eclipse, if one chants this stotra, it will give us all the siddhis, siddhikaraha, paraha. If we recite this stotra in the holy place of Varanasi, Kashi, this stotra will grant all our desires. This stotra was offered to the holy lotus feet of Goddess Saraswati by Shankaracharya Bhikshu, who was the head of Kashi Pita.